Go play. Play with your toys. Play with your toy. Yeah, play with those toys. Play with your toy. Get that energy out. Don't ask me to play later. Don't ask me to play later. So now you want to go in the crate. It's a good girl. Good girl. You're not going to get none of Daddy's food. It's all gone. None for you. It's not for you. No. It's all gone. A-G. All gone. Yep, it's all gone. Off. Off the counter. Off. Off. This is your playtime. Once I eat, you won't be sitting down and relaxing. You get to play with Daddy later. You hear me? This is your free time. Good girl. Food's all gone, Gigi. No more eat. Food's all gone. All gone. You can play with your toys. This is playtime. This is your recess time. Don't look at me like you don't have a clue. This is your playtime. We can't go outside because it's raining. It's raining. You don't like rain, remember? So you need to play with your toys. I know as soon as I turn this camera off, you're going to start playing with the toys. You just want Daddy's attention, right? Right. Okay, well you don't want to play, that's okay. Play with your toys. Play with your toy. Maybe you just need a nap. You want to take a nap? Gigi, take a nap. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Maybe you need a nap. Go to bed. Relax. Oh, are you tired? Yep, I called it. She's tired. What were you doing last night? You were up partying? Rent-free? Eating treats? And drinking water? You were thinking about when we were going walking? You can't go walking because it's raining. I know it's raining. We can't go walking because it's raining. I know. Maybe I should play with you and get some of your energy out. Deal? Deal. Hey Gigi, do you want to play with Daddy? I'll take that as a yes. Let's go play.